Hello everyone, ever hit send on WhatsApp and instantly regretted it? Maybe it was a typo, the wrong message, or just something you wish you could take back. Well, guess what? You actually can fix it if you move fast. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit a sent WhatsApp message on your Android device before it's too late. You've got just 15 minutes to make changes, so let's get into it while there's still time. Alright, here's how you can edit a sent message on WhatsApp step by step. First, unlock your Android phone and open the WhatsApp app. Now go into the chat where you sent the message you want to change. Find that message, and this is important. It must be your message and sent within the last 15 minutes. If it's older than that, WhatsApp won't let you edit it. Once you find the message, long press on it. This will highlight the message and bring up a toolbar at the top of the screen. Now tap on the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Edit. You'll now see the message open up, ready for changes. Let's say you wrote and instead of and. Just delete the extra letter and fix your typo. You can also add or change words, whatever you need. Once your message is updated, hit the send button again. And that's it. The message is now updated and the person on the other end will see the new version with a small, edited label underneath. Remember, you can only edit a message within 15 minutes of sending it. After that, the option disappears. This feature is super helpful for fixing those quick mistakes before they lead to confusion or embarrassment. So, have you ever wished you could take back a WhatsApp message? Let me know in the comments. What's the worst typo you've ever sent? If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe for more quick fixes like this, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a helpful update. Thanks for watching, and next time you send the wrong message, don't panic, just edit it.